Had an alert go off, NCD/USD. Let's go take a look at that, see what's going on there. I have a feeling we're probably in a nice zone. Oh yeah, it bounced up to where I want. So I will be trimming that off now, closing that lower position. And we'll see about trimming if we can. Let's see, so NCD/USD, let's go ahead and open that up. NCD/USD, $23 in profit. Close order. We're going to close the sell stop, delete the order. Now, that was a buy, so we can look to clean up the NCD/USD sell on the top. But how far up top is it? So this is gone. This is gone. Took a buy. Okay. So I have a 0.06 down there that needs to get cleaned up. Yep. So let's go back over there. NZD/USD 0.06. Oh, I might need to close this out. This happens from time to time. This is why scalping can be really, really difficult. Because if your trading platform just all of a sudden is like, nah, I quit. Like if you need to get in and out, that's not the time. So we're going to close the order. I'm going to drop it down to 1. Okay, so see the loss down there is $8, 16 bucks. We were at like 20 something. So there we go. We'll take 16. So 2. Close 2 off the bottom. So this goes up to 0.04 now. 0.04. I am now off balance with a 29 below, 16 above. Oh, nope. 29 below, 31 above. So I need to, what is that? Well, I guess it's 2. I guess it's 2, isn't it? So I need to put a sell stop right about there. So 58.55 for 2. I'll come here, NZD/USD. These 2 are the 31s. All right. Plus we got the 25 and the 4, 29. So I just need a new order. 2, sell stop, 58.55, place, done. And now we will come back over here, put a horizontal ray on this one. This is going to be a sell stop at 0.02, pending at 5.8855. So that's what that looks like. And if price continues soaring past this, then I'll squeeze it until we can probably get somewhere up here. That way I'm a full 30 pips away from that. I'm going to go ahead and set an alert on that one. So once it actually touches it, I'm going to squeeze that bottom position up closer if it touches it. If it doesn't, then, it's going to come back and down and trigger it and whatnot. And then we just continue working through that. So that should be completely hedged now, or set up for a complete hedge. So 25 plus 4, just got to make sure our numbers are right. It's 29 plus 2 is 31. 15 plus 15 is 30, plus that extra 1 from the 16. Sorry, just got to do whatever math you got to take in order to figure it out. So there's that. I already had an alert go off right there, the near USD. And so this is one of those alerts that these are one of these positions, I don't know, instruments? Yeah, instruments. This was free. This was free through Coinbase. If you're here in the United States, if you get on Coinbase, you can go through these like little lessons that you learn, and as you learn them, they'll basically give you free cryptocurrency or whatever currency that they're talking about. This near USD was one of them, and I really should have marked up when I actually got these things. But I've been marking up basically where I think price is likely to go and where I should start getting out. Price has finally made it up here to like the 7.50 area, $7.50, but I think he can go higher. I think he can make it to the 8.50, and so I actually moved the alert up. But I want to see what it is on like the weekly. Like, what has price done ever? Okay, so yeah, that would be a high of the high. We'd be all the way up there where price has never gone before. And we've seen a huge surge in cryptocurrency recently. I'm not a fundamental trader, so I have no idea where it actually comes from. I don't know where the hype is coming up. I know Bitcoin is up at, like all-time highs and just slowly reaching $100,000. It's so, I mean, like all the rest tend to follow after that one, but I have no idea why Bitcoin's up so high. Like, I don't know. Maybe the U.S. election had something to do with it, Trump being elected as president. I don't know, but I'm going to continue just riding this up until the points where I think, you know what, this is time for me to go ahead and get out. So that's one that I'm watching. And then I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but like Australia has passed a law banning social media access for children under 16. And I'm wondering what people tend to think about that. TikTok, Facebook, all these other social media platforms are supposed to be facing up, like somewhere near like $30 million in fines if they don't look to block minors from it. And they're looking to start trying to, like enforce it in January. They're like it's coming right up with full on effect by next year. And so it's interesting. What another interesting thing is there's like a huge majority of Australians support the ban. Like over 3/4 of Australians support the law banning social media access for children under 16. So that's an interesting thing. Is that something we should do here in the United States? If so, why? If not, why not? And so that's, I don't know. We'll see where that goes. As for the evening time, I'm pretty much wrapped up for the evening. I have nothing else going on with these trades here. I do have odd USD. This was an interesting, annoying trade. And I only say annoying because of this. Here we go. So I have, and I think I talked about it in another video, but price was supposed to come down into this level here, this red level. And it did. And I was asleep. I think it was at like 3 o'clock in the morning when it did it. No, what does that say? 10 in the afternoon? What? Really? That can't be right. Are you telling me I was awake for this? I was. Okay, I got nothing. I have no excuse. So either way, actually, no, I don't think this actually hit. That's how close it came to though. And I would have been ready for this. That's how close it came to, and it bounced away. It's so annoying. I'm biting my fingers right now because like that is so annoying, but it happens. And this would have been a nice clean trim, a nice clean squeeze. Like that is the beautiful moves we're looking for, and it just didn't go far enough. So that's odd USD, and that's why I have these two marked up. Euro GBP, I think, is the one that came into this level. Yep, came deep into the level. It had hit my alert somewhere near, there you go, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm not awake. And this would have been a beautiful squeeze. I would have closed both positions, squeezed the upper level here at 0.09, and this would have been a nice little trailing thing. But, this is part of the game. So it is what it is. It just happens. And you just got to be patient with it. And that's what I'm trying to do. Understand, like, I do get impatient. I want to take trades. I want to manage trades. I want to do something. I don't just want to sit on my hands and do nothing. One of the things that I have done is, and I don't know if you catch this at the right time, FX Replay has a Black Friday sale. That is a perfect back testing, especially for the hedging because they actually allow it on there, and it bolts right onto TradingView because it looks they use the same data and everything for it. So that has like a 30, 40, 50% off for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So if you have a chance to get it, get it. Why? Because you need to get in and practice. If you can't practice in the live markets, there's a good indication that you probably should be practicing in at least these demo markets in that right there. So I highly encourage you to get that. Now, if you've stayed to the end of the video, YouTube is going to go ahead and recommend something about there. That's for you. They're basically seeing, hey, where are you at? And is there something that I offer that could possibly help you? If you don't find value in any of that, but you want some insight, by all means, jump into the comments or hop on Discord and just hit me up there. I'm here to just give you what has worked for me and try to just point you in the right direction. 99% of the work is going to come down on you. There is no special sauce. There is no secret strategy. It's all a matter of putting in the work. So start putting in the work.